Today, if people want to find out information, they go straight to the internet. People have access to the internet at their home, their office, in their car, and in many cases, even in their pocket. It's no wonder Google has over 200 million lookups every single day. With over 6 billion lookups every month, people are certainly looking up the products or services your company offers. If you're not putting that information online, who is?
I made a $40 purchase. For this text message, I received $6 off. Pretty good deal.
You make money by doing business with people that know, like, and trust you. You market with social media to develop relationships with people so they will know, like, and trust you.
Vanaf nu elke maand een quest, augmented reality.